Hey guys, what's going on? It's El Patronn, and this is El Patronn Show, Brooklyn Mitsubishi. And today we have a special guest, Mr. PR. Thank you for being on the show.
How you doing, sir? Thank you very much for having me.
Yes, my pleasure. Finally made it to the show. We want to talk a little bit about branding, personal branding, right? How we got here. People are calling me asking questions. How did this come about? So if you want to just go ahead and tell the people.
Sure, absolutely. So, what really intrigued me about El Patronn and Brooklyn Mitsubishi is the constant, consistent social media marketing push. Being that I myself have my own public relations marketing company called 1PR,
Yes.
I definitely like the fact that I was able to come into an environment and a team that does see the value in consistent content.
Right. And basically, how how to build a brand within a brand, right?
Correct.
And I allow you guys to be your own brand,
Mhm.
right? So you want to talk about your brand a little bit more, what
Cool.
it is that you're doing, and not just at work, but also offsite work.
Absolutely. So back in 2012, I established a public relations and marketing company called 1PR, short for public relations, and also in due time got a little play on words with me being Puerto Rican and my ethnic background, PR. So since then, I've had several different companies come to me so I could utilize me and my network
Right.
via media, television, and radio to be able to take their brand, take it to new levels.
Now, my understanding is also you were on a TV show, correct?
Yes,
Not
absolutely.
just too recently.
Yes.
Now, elaborate on that. Tell me how was that experience? How did it come about? And what did you learn from it? And what is the next thing?
Yes, absolutely. So I was blessed to have the opportunity to be on a reality TV show on BET called The Grand Hustle Season 1. It was done by a rapper from Atlanta, Georgia by the name of T.I. Tip, and on BET, and we had our first full season. So pretty much it was a reality-based show. We had 16 contestants from all across the country trying to work to get an executive opportunity position and work for T.I.'s Grand Hustle organization. I unfortunately did not win. I came in about 8th place out of 16 people, but I was able to come back for the grand finale in Las Vegas, and from there I've had a great experience and an exponential following on my social media from that TV show. So shout out to Grand Hustle.
And that's what it's about, right? It's about putting yourself out there, right? The energy that you put up, right? It's what you put up, and it comes back to you. Agree?
Correct. Absolutely.
I mean, you're a firm believer of that. And
Law of attraction.
Right, the law of attraction, which we're practicing right now.
Correct.
We're writing ourselves a $10 million check today.
Awesome.
All right, so you put it out there. Some way, somehow, you're gonna find a way, right? The energy that is around the universe. So, I allow you guys personal branding, and most GMs don't do this, and most stores don't even do that. I believe in the power of social media. I mean, you see what happened a year ago, right? With my when I went to that conference, and something just clicked, right? And said, hey, I'm onto something, right? And I wanted to be different than what the normal dealerships do, because there is no other dealership branding or GM branding himself like that. But I wanted to take that and obviously share that with you guys. And as you can see, you guys have your own logos, you guys have your own hashtags and whatnot. So, I'm looking forward and to see the future. I see a lot of stuff of collaborating together.
Yes.
I see that you're with the with this group in Long Island.
Yes. Minority Millennials.
Yeah, tell me a little bit about that.
Sure. So the Minority Millennials is an organization of not just minorities and millennials, but a culmination of people of African American, Latino descent. And pretty much what we're trying to do is just change some laws, legislatures that will affect local communities. Myself living in Long Island, the town of Babylon, and towns like Amityville, Brentwood, West Islip, and Bayshore. We're trying to do our best to try to have some type of impact on the local community, and just trying to empower young people as well as people of color to go out there and vote and do something for the local municipalities and communities.
Well, I'm looking forward. We support you 100%. Obviously, he's part of the team now, and whatever he does is important to us, just like what we do is important to him. So I love you. You're on board, and I know you all in.
100%.
I can see that already. Yes, I can see the videos getting a lot of views and things like that. So I'm looking forward for 2019. Hope to see you at the conference.
Absolutely will.
Right.
Just want to let everybody know, coming from a different environment, I do really appreciate the opportunity that El Patronn has given me to be able to show my skill set, to be able to utilize my social media to build value and to be an asset to this team. A lot of other managers that I work for are not as transparent. They're not as positive. And just working here is just an amazing experience. I commute an hour a day each direction, and to me, I was working at a location where my commute was 8 minutes. So I don't look at it as a sacrifice. I look at it as an area of opportunity for growth, for expansion, and just being able to, bring my skill set to the table and be a valuable asset to Brooklyn Mitsubishi. So thank you to El Patronn. I appreciate you.
Well, listen, if you're not able to help other people, right, that's what it's all about, right? It's about helping others, and I really want all of us to win.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Because if you do that, then if I could change your life and your family's life, and why not, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna be able to impact other people, and I think that's what it's about. I'm looking to put up a good conference, and I'm just happy, and thank you for being part of the show.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So you guys want to reach out to him? All right. Either you want to do something with his stuff outside of work, you want to buy a car from him, or even if we have to guide you the right direction, he's the guy to go. All right. So he goes to 1PR or El Patronn. You guys know me. All right. So click the link below or reach out to him on social media. I prefer social media because that's my thing.
Everyone knows you from that. Just make sure that you follow me on all social media platforms at
Yeah.
Torres1PR, TORRES, the number 1PR, like Paul Robert. Make sure you check us out on our website, www.brooklynmitsubishi.com. And make sure everybody's coming out to the Automotive Game Changer Conference this December 3rd in Long Island, our hometown, our neck of the woods.
Absolutely.
It's going to be all people coming from all over the country,
Yes.
from all aspects of the automotive industry as well as sales. You don't want to miss it. Please be there.
I'm excited.
Don't be there, beat us there.
I'm excited.
All
Guys,
right.
peace.